Okay, this is how to cheat solving a Rubik's Cube. As you can see from a mixed up cube, what you need to do is just twiddle it round, looks as if you're thinking, then move one, move another, and just like keep it on the move, basically. Make another move and just pretend that you're really trying to work it out. Another move, just basically, like I say, keep it on the move, actually. Like I said, what I'm doing now is turn it one way and then turn it the other way, as if you've sort of made a mistake. Keep it moving, twisting round. And then sort of pause, put it down, as if you sort of, hang on, I'm stuck with it now. You know, I don't really know sort of what I'm doing, and then just do another couple of moves and just keep it, like I say, keep moving it, keep twisting it round and spinning it round and what have you, and just sort of just do moves here and there, random moves, and one way, the other way, and just keep spinning it round, and you'll sort of see that you will eventually solve the cube. What you need to do now is place it down and then speed up the film, speed up the video, and then it looks like you've solved it in, instead of say a few minutes, it looks like that you've solved it in a few seconds. So that's how to cheat and solve a Rubik's Cube.